next sector, we are going to see fruits. Children, do you like fruits? Yeah, good. Everyone likes fruits. It is very tasty and also it gives strength for our body. Okay children, so you should eat the fruits regularly. Children, today I am going to show you a number of fruits. Okay children, see here, this is an apple. Tell me, apple. Tell me, apple. See, this is round in shape. The apple is round in shape. It is red in color. It has very smooth surface on outside. It is white in color inside the fruit. Apple gives us more nutrients for us. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay children, so you should eat the apple regularly. Okay children, good. Now tell me, this is apple. Apple. Very good. See here. The next fruit is grapes. Grapes. Say again, grapes. This is black in color. It is small, round size in shape. Sometimes we can see green color grapes also. It will be very juicy inside. It tastes very sour. Okay children? It tastes sour. Children, you should eat grapes regularly. Okay children? Good. Tell me, this is grapes. Grapes. Good children. Say again. Grapes. Very good. Children, the next fruit is orange. Tell me, orange. See, the color of the fruit is orange and the name of the fruit also orange. It has little rough surface on the outside. It will be very tasty. Children, you should not miss the orange to eat. It has many orange peels inside the fruit. It is round in shape. It looks like ball, no? Yeah. Okay children, you should eat the orange regularly. This is an orange. Orange. Say again, orange. Good. Orange. Look at the next fruit. This is custard apple. Tell me, custard apple. Say again, custard apple. It is green in color. Children, look at the surface. The surface of the custard apple is not even. See, you can see many ups and downs. The color of the custard apple is green. It contains many seeds. Okay children, it is a seasonal fruit. Whenever you get the custard apple, you should not miss it. Okay children? Tell me, this is custard apple. Custard apple. Say again, custard apple. Say one more time, custard apple. Good children. Next I am going to show you a big fruit. Look at this. See here, this is pineapple. Tell me, pineapple. What it is? Pineapple. This is a big fruit. This is big in size. It has very rough surface on the outside, and also you can see many thorns outside. Okay children, you can see many green leaves on the top. It is a seasonal fruit. Okay children, so you should not miss the pineapple whenever you get it. Okay children, it gives strength for us and also it is very tasty fruit. Okay children, tell me, this is pineapple. Pineapple. Say again, pineapple. Good children. The next fruit is banana. Tell me what it is. Banana. Say again, banana. Children, the color of the banana is yellow. We have to peel the banana skin and eat. Okay children, you can see the fleshy part inside the banana. It is white in color. It is all seasons fruit. You can eat the banana in all the seasons. It tastes very sweet. Okay children? It tastes very sweet. Children, you should eat the banana regularly. Okay children? Good. Tell me, this is banana. Banana. Say again, banana. Banana. Very good children. Children, next I am going to show you mango. Tell me, this is mango. Mango. Children, some mangoes are yellow in color and some mangoes are green in color. It has fleshy part inside the fruit. That is yellow in color. It has a big seed inside the fruit. It is the very tastiest fruit. Mango is the king of all the fruits. Mango is the king of all the fruits. It tastes very sweet. It is a seasonal fruit. Okay children, you can get the mangoes in summer season only. Children, whenever you get the mangoes, you should not miss that. Okay children, tell me, this is mango. Mango. Say again, mango. Mango. Very good children. Look at the next fruit. This is papaya. Tell me, this is papaya. Papaya is a big fruit. Children, the papaya has no fixed shape and size. You can see the papaya in different sizes and different shapes. Okay children, it contains many seeds. Okay children, the papaya is poor man's apple. It contains lot of nutrients more than apple. Children, we should often have the papaya. Okay children, it gives us more nutrients. Tell me, this is papaya. Papaya. Say again, papaya. Papaya. Very good. Look at the next fruit. This is pomegranate. Tell me, pomegranate. Say again, pomegranate. It is red in color. It is little rough outside. It contains many seeds inside the fruit. Children, you should eat the pomegranate regularly. Okay children, tell me, this is pomegranate. It is round in shape. It is round in shape. It tastes very nicely. Okay children? Children, you should have pomegranate regularly. Children, tell me, this is pomegranate. Say again, pomegranate. Pomegranate. Very good. See, the next fruit is watermelon. Tell me, watermelon. It That is a big fruit. It is big in size. The color of the watermelon is green. The structure of the watermelon is very smooth. It contains number of seeds. It is red in color inside. That is very juicy. Children, we can get the watermelon during the summer season. You should not miss the watermelon during the summer season. It gives more energy during the summer time. Okay children, it is a seasonal fruit. Tell me, this is watermelon. Say again, watermelon. Watermelon. Very good. Children, let us say the names of the fruits one by one. Say with me. Apple. Apple. Grapes. Grapes. See here. This is an orange. Orange. Custard apple. Tell me. Custard apple. Good. This is pineapple. Pineapple. See here. This is banana. Banana. Look at this. This is mango. Mango. Papaya. Papaya. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. This is watermelon. Watermelon. Very good children. You said all the fruits name correctly. Children, practice the fruits name regularly. Eat fruits every day and stay healthy. See you in the next class. Thank you children.